This is a funky disclaimer that we have right now, which means whatever job I'm going to share with you, just verify from your end as well, because there's a lot of scam and all those things going around. So check it out from your end, and this is very funky, so just check from your side as well. Anyways, so what we'll do live, so as always Q&A, what you're going to ask, parallelly job openings I'm going to share you, और कुछ नया है जो मैं बताने वाला हूँ. So anyways, let's start with the first job opening that we have, and here we go with the first opening. So guys, this is a freshers job as far I know. Okay, so this is actually in the company Seclens, and they are hiring for VAPT intern and VAPT consultant. So I know you guys are familiar with what exactly VAPT means, which means vulnerability assessment and pen testing. So they are looking for fresher talent to join our team on site on the position. So this is the on site job. You need to work at Bangalore. So you might, if you are interested, in drop a resume on the same mail ID, this one, okay, and you can ask whatever query you have. Accordingly, if you get hired, just let me know. That would be great to hear. Now, the next job opening that we have is basically for the experienced people. So let's skip this part. Okay, you can check it out. Those who are experienced, just pause the video and check it out. And tomorrow is the interview date. If someone wants to apply and have 3 to 6 years of experience, okay, you can join this one, right? So PCI DSS, this is actually compliances work and all those things. So there's a very less people those who are interested in uh, what you say, GRC, right? Governance, risk and compliances. Anyways, so this is another opening that we have, which is for the SOC analyst. And Splunk QRadar is a tool which is a SIM tool. So you should have good command on Splunk tool. Okay, and this is a job which is where you need to work at Pune, Bangalore, and Noida. Okay, it's in India. Okay, I hope you all are familiar. So they are actually you need to work for the top MNCs company. Okay, and this is a hybrid work. Like sometimes you have to work from the office, sometimes you have to work from the uh, what you say, from home. And like if you're working somewhere, then you will be getting only 10 day of notice period. Like if you're working, then you have to drop your company within the text 10 upcoming days. And this is a US rotation, so you need to work at night most probably. Interview date is 1st of February 2025, and day after tomorrow will be the interview. And this is a more into SOC job. So Splunk, QRadar, Blue, Oyant is the important thing which where you should have to be familiar with. Nmap Nations ISS is basically बेसिक टूल है, मतलब सबको आता है यार, इसमें क्या रॉकेट साइंस है. नेटवर्क vulnerability attack pattern is important, you need to understand. Security alerts, SIM work, okay, SOC work is there, so just do all those things. Okay, and like all those knowledge, SIM knowledge is required. So it's a something where you need a little bit of experience, right? This is a mail ID, savita@prime primusglobal.com, right? So now let's apply to next job opening, which is Seclens. So guys, they're looking for all this position from a long time, so you might get some good opportunities here. So role is VAPT intern, VAPT consultant, mobile web API security testing, and like all those most probably the pen testing work and auditing work is there. So if you feel you are fit for this job role, drop your resume on this mail ID, okay, and you might get hired because they are looking for a very long time. And the work location will be most probably work from office, and it's in Bangalore. So accordingly, just do the things. Next, Optimus AI, again experience, 3 to 5 years of experience is required. Remote job is there. L1, L2 is there. L1 means some junior one, and L2 is the little bit senior, and L3 is something which is the most senior, right? SIEM work is there, so just check it out. Okay, and another skills which is required is firewall, IDS, networking. All this comes into SOC or SIM things. So SIM SOC job is basically on boom. So just try to check it out, guys. Okay, if you can opt your career in as a security analyst, then you will get a lot of opportunities in upcoming days. That is what exactly all the companies looking for. So just check for security analyst. So what are things the people need to do? Okay, and L1, L2 is there, and this is the mail ID, asia.sec@optimus.ai. Okay, so that is where you can apply, right? All right, guys, that's all for today.